Wiping away the dirt here. Look at these deep scratches and the corrosion underneath. All right, lifting now. Chains are holding steady. The parts are arranged neatly across workbenches in organized rows. All right, blasting this mud and oil now. Look at that, coming off clean. Welding repairs begin, sparks flashing briefly with controlled hissing. Carefully wipe the cylinder walls to remove any residue. See how the piston now slides smoothly and freely. Peel the decal slowly from the backing sheet. Align it carefully, then press from the center outward. Smooth out any bubbles for a perfect finish.
Mounts are secured, vibrations dulling as everything locks together.
Okay, hold it steady right there. Got it. Ready for the taps? Aligning now. That should hold. All right, team, I'm ready. Let's show them what we've got. The fully restored classic car, captured in a slow orbit, reveals its flawless craftsmanship and gleaming details from every angle. Ka-chow! I'm bright, clean, and ready to race! No mud, no grime, just pure speed. From this low angle, the car's renewed stance is clear, showcasing its aggressive lines and lowered profile. Fine details like bolts, trim, and decals gleam pristine. Ah, that open light feels amazing. I'm alive and ready to race again.